Here's the Toyota Highlander, and in order to get to the light we have to first open up the hatch. It's the exact same process for the left side and the right side. I'm just going to show you on one side. First thing you have to do is get this plastic panel off. For that, just put your finger over there in the back and pull it out a little bit. Once it's out just a little bit like this, now get a flathead screwdriver and pry it out from right over there. See where I'm prying it out from? Just put your screwdriver in there, pry it out a little bit, then apply some force over here at this corner right there, and one clip comes out. Just go along that edge and then the entire cover comes off. So there's 4 tabs that go into the slots there. 1, 2, 3, 4 go right over there. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and those 2 little clips, one there and the second one over there, goes over here like that. So now that you know how it fits in there, you need to get a 10mm socket ratchet combination to get those 2 bolts out which are holding the light in place. Let's go ahead and loosen them and get them off one by one. Once the bolt is out, just keep it somewhere safe. Repeat the process for the other one. Now put the screwdriver inside over there and then use that to pry the light outwards a little bit. We need those light to clear those white tabs where the bolts went in. And now push the light to the back of the car and she will slide right out. And once the light is out, just place it this way. Grab the bulb holder, twist it left, and it's loose and it comes out. Just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. You may have to do a little bit of wiggling, but it'll come right out. The bulb number is WY21W. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself, and then simply push it down back into the bulb holder to secure it. And now when you put the bulb holder back in the light, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in like this. Good. At this point, just twist your right to lock it, and now you're done. That's it. Now when you put the light back in, that slot goes right over there on that green thing. The pin goes right over here inside there. Those 2 holes are where the bolts go on. They need to sit around those white holes on the body. Now when you're trying to align the light, just focus on the front right edge, and once it's in place, just give it a push. Put those 2 bolts back in. Hand tighten them first and then tighten them down using the socket ratchet combination. Now get that cover back in place. Just position it the way I'm showing and then just tap it, and that's good. And that's about it. Hope you found the video useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.